long time. And I'm very excited about what the ancestors are doing and being through us, you see? So let's take it to the next level. Again, thank you, Bomani, Africa for the Africans. 10 years strong of delivering us to our destiny. Give us a hand, Bomani a hand, okay? So, the first person, and I got, this order, in divine order, I affirm. I'm going to begin with the young brother in the back, and then I'm going to come to Sister Stephanie and the two other sisters, and then we're going to go by number. And if you don't want to come up and share that, you don't have to, but we really would invite you to. You can be as brief as you want and say your name and where you're from, but by all means do participate for our historical documentation, okay? So my brother, myself, please come forth and introduce yourself to us. I certainly had a great ride on the plane with you, coming in from Amsterdam.
Hello. Hey, how y'all doing today? Y'all good?
Hell yeah.
I'm Rodney Noel. I'm from Warner Robins, Georgia. I go to school.
Georgia.
I go to school in Huntsville. Can I just talk?
Yeah.
I don't need the mic.
Yeah, you need it.
Okay, cool. But I go to school in Huntsville, Alabama. I go to Alabama A&M. I came with my uncle and aunt.
Yeah.
I came with my uncle and aunt, Adrian and Kimberly Patrick. They're out of Snellville, Georgia. And thankfully they brought me here because I've had a great time since I've been here for these 4 to 5 days. Well, thank you.
Yeah,
What else I need to talk about?
Well, not like me too, but I know that you're an athletic man and you ready to get a degree from college.
I am.
Talk on that. Please.
Oh, okay. I graduate in May. I'm getting my sports management degree. And after that, I'm applying to UGA to go ahead and get my master's in business management.
That's what's up. Yeah, I really appreciate you. Get it in.